Now, if I tell you this how my feet looked like before I did a DIY pedicure, and this was the after, you can tell the difference. Even if I don't explain, I'm sure you can see the difference. Like, look from these, so dry, whitish because of the dead skin. And these were my nails. They had dirt. Look at that. They are not looking good. They have that dead skin cuticles and they look so dry, not moisturized. That's how they look like. And what will happen after this is that they are going to crack. Can you see that? And this was the after. Can you see that? They're looking so good, so pretty and well moisturized. Of course, I used all the moisturizer that I have to moisturize them, because why not? I loved massaging it and all that. So let me show you how you can be able to do this at home. So welcome back. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. So I started by getting into my gloves, and I have this soap that I normally use for the brightening of the feet, the skin of my feet, because how, why not, baby girl? So I'm using the gloves first of all to remove the dirt, of course, dust and all that. Then I'm going in with the file to remove the dead skin. I'm sorry, today I'm not going to do a dry exfoliation, so we are managing. This is what we are going to deal with, but trust me not, the dead skin is falling off, because the results are going to show for themselves. So baby girl, if you're struggling with cracked heels, your heels are becoming so dry, and especially when it's very cold and also when it's hot because of the dust, please, you need a pedicure file or a pumice stone. Then I'm going in with a DIY scrub. Now this scrub is a brightening scrub. I mean brightening. We need to brighten the feet also. We need to look, they need to pop up when we are wearing open shoes. So yeah, that is the scrub that I'm using. Tell the a DIY, I'll do a separate video on the same. So it's for scrubbing the feet. You can use it to scrub your body, your face, any part of your body that need to be scrubbed. Yeah, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. I'm so happy, like, people have really subscribed, but please, can you watch so that I can get the watch hour? Because YouTube have said that in February next year the watch hour are 8,000, and guys, imagine I'm struggling to get 4,000. What about 8,000? So please watch my videos. Support a girl, support a girl, support a girl. Yeah, support me, support my content. I'm sure you do love my content, so please make sure that you support me. Yeah, so this scrub, I'm scrubbing the heel part and the upper part of the leg. So make sure that you scrub everywhere. Then the nails, remember how the nails looked like, so we need to clean them. So I'm using my Colgate. Yeah, Colgate. Then I'm going to add in baking soda ash on the same. After applying the Colgate, then baking soda ash, I'm going to sprinkle it, and then I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean the nails. Why a toothbrush? Because it's going to get into even the smallest spaces that are within the nails. What do I call them? I'm lacking the word. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, because it has a small tooth. So just clean up until you are sure and satisfied that your nails are clean. Okay, then if the toothbrush doesn't do the work, you can use a toothpick. That's what also I'm using to go into those spaces where the dirt normally holds in. Then after that, just rinse off your feet, because why not? Now, even before I moisturize my feet, like, you can already see there is a difference between when I started and at this point. So even you, if you have come to this point, please Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Then dry off to remove water, and especially in between the toes, because they can mess up. They can become messy, and you can end up getting a fungal infection. Yeah, it's something like that. Yeah. Now, moisturizing. Now, at this point, I'm just pouring my lotion. I really trust this lotion. Sorry, I really trust this lotion to be very moisturizing. That is why I'm using it. But because it's at night and I really want to lock in the moisture, I'm also going in with the coconut butter, and I'm also trying to see if this coconut butter is going to enhance or to make sure that my nails are not cracking. So yeah, that's why I've added, and also for the glow, because the coconut oil is going to make the nails to pop up, and you can see that for yourself. Then I'm moisturizing my feet. There is nothing that I love about DIY pedicure like just massaging my feet, and at this point they are so soft, meaning they're so soft, like baby bam bam, or yeah, something like that. So bye bye until the next time. See you.